Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to today's class. In the previous class, we have learned some part of the third lesson. That is, Sunil and Anil learn a lesson. Okay, so today we will continue that. But before we continue, before we complete the remaining part, I would like to revise once again the lesson what we learned so far. Okay, so see, Sunil and Anil, they both are twins. Okay, they both share everything. They both share the same bedroom, same friends. They play for same football team. Even the toys are also same. They both share the toys. But one Saturday, they both want to go out. They both went outside to play with a red wagon, red colored wagon, their toy. Okay, then with that, they both love that wagon very much. With that wagon, Sunil want to give a ride to his stuffed toys, and Anil want to collect rocks. Okay, so when they both are arguing, their mother heard and she came out. Then she said, she said to them that they have to share the same thing, share that wagon. Okay, to share that, they can take in turns, they can use it in turn. That means one can share, one can take it for his work. After that, another can use it. Okay, so but they don't want to share that red wagon because they both loved it very much. Then after some days, a few days later, their mother brought a kitten, a pet kitten, one pet kitten to their house. And immediately seeing that, they both said, can we both have separate pets? That means, can we both have each kitten? But their mother said, no, you both have to feed it and you both have to make sure that it should not be in any trouble. So now, till now they used to share things, bedroom, friends, like that. But now they both are sharing a job also. That means taking care of something is a job. Taking care of a person or taking care of an animal, it's a job only. So now they both are sharing a job. Okay then. So few days later, after some days, this kitten, a small kitten, pet, went into the sieving basket of mother's sieving basket, and it scattered between some few minutes. In few minutes itself, that kitten scattered the balls of yarn all over the room. And when that kitten is playing with that ball, with that yarn, Anil saw that. And he went to find out where the Sunil is. And he want to say everything what the kitten did to the Sunil. Okay, till here we completed. Now, in page number 13 itself, last two lines here. Last two lines. See, first I'll read and explain the lesson, and then after that I'll read once again. When I read, you have to read along with me. Okay? You have to recite everything. But first of all, I'll read and explain now. Okay. Oh no! It is our job to clean up the mess, cried Sunil. The boys quickly picked up the yarn and put it back in the basket. So, when this Anil went to Sunil and said about the kitten, what it did, Sunil reacted that, oh no, it is our job to clean up the mess. Mess means throwing here and there, throwing the thing, making untidy, not neat. Okay, So Sunil is saying that it's our job. Whatever this kitten do, it's our job to clean it, because that kitten won't do anything. Am I right? Do any animal clean things? No, it won't. We have to clean it. So who is taking care of the kitten now? Anil and Sunil. Both are looking after that. So whatever the kitten do, they have to look after that. Then this kitten already created so much mess there. It scattered balls of yarn here all over the direction, all over the floor. Then Sunil said, "It's our job to clean up the mess," cried Sunil. The boys quickly picked up the yarn and put it back in the basket. They both quickly picked up that yarn, the balls of threads and they put it back in the basket. When the mess was cleaned up, Sunil and Anil saw that the kitten was playing with an orange. When that mess was cleaned up, when they both cleaned the mess, they both saw that kitten is playing with an orange. They quickly made the kitten her own toy from a piece of yarn. Then they quickly made they took that ball of yarn and they made a piece to play the kitten. Okay. Just think, Anil, 2 kittens would have made a bigger mess, said Sunil. Then Sunil is saying that just think, if it is only one kitten, then it created this much of mess. Then if there are 2 kittens, when we both want separate kittens, am I right? Because these two, Sunil and Anil, they both want separate kittens, separate pet to look after. So if only one kitten is there, if only one pet is here, then it created this much of mess. So once think what 2 kittens will do. That is right, laughed Anil. Maybe sharing is not a bad after all. Then Anil laughed and said, yes, sharing is not bad at all. After all, that sharing is not bad. It's very good. That's why we also say you to share, ask you to share the things with your friends, with your brothers or sisters, everyone whom you like, with your family. Okay, share the things. Okay, so sharing is a good habit. That means don't share your answer paper also. That is not good. Don't share your bits or your answers what you write. That is not good. Okay. So what happened in the last, what happened when Sunil came to know that what this kitten did? He said, it's our responsibility to clean up all the mess. Yeah. So then they both quickly picked up the yarn and put it back in the basket. When the mess was cleaned up, when they both cleaned the mess, Sunil saw that that kitten is playing with an orange. The kitten is playing with an orange apple. Sorry, orange. It's a fruit. So they quickly made the kitten her own toy from a piece of yarn. They quickly made her own toy, another toy to play with it. Okay, and then just think, Anil, 2 kittens would have made a bigger mess, said Sunil. Sunil is saying that just think, if it is only one kitten here, it created this much of mess. If there are 2, then how much bigger it is. Then, that is right, laughed Anil. Maybe sharing is not bad after all. Okay, so now take your textbooks, page number 13. I'll read and you have to read after me. Okay, read along with me. Oh no! It is our job to clean up the mess, cried Sunil. The boys quickly picked up the yarn and put it back in the basket. When the mess was cleaned up, Sunil and Anil saw that the kitten was playing with an orange. They quickly made the kitten her own toy from a piece of yarn. Just think, Anil, two kittens would have made a bigger mess, said Sunil. That is right, laughed Anil. Maybe sharing is not so bad after all. Okay, so this is the lesson. Now I'll give some hard words on the board. You can underline it and practice it also. Onwards. Miss, cried, picked up, yarn, cleaned up, playing, quickly, peace, bigger, laughed. Look here. Mess, 13 and 14. Mess, M-E-S-S, mess. Cried, C-R-I-E-D, cried. P-I-C-K-E-D, picked, U-P up, picked up. Y-A-R-N, yarn. C-L-E-A-N-E-D, cleaned, U-P up, cleaned up. Playing, P-L-A-Y-I-N-G, playing. Quickly, Q-U-I-C-K-L-Y, quickly. Peace, P-I-E-C-E, peace. Bigger, B-I-G-G-E-R, bigger. Loft, L-A-U-G-H-E-D, loft. Okay, mess, cried, picked up, yarn, cleaned up, playing, quickly, peace, bigger, loft. Okay, my dears, you can underline these hard words in your textbook. Okay, and you have to read the lesson. Once I'll read from the starting, please look into the textbook. Okay? Sunil and Anil were twins. They shared everything. They shared the same birthday, the same bedroom, and the same friends. They both played for the same football team, and both boys shared all the same toys. One Saturday, Sunil and Anil went outside to play with their red wagon. The twins loved the wagon. I want to give my stuffed toys a ride, said Sunil. I want to collect rocks, said Anil. Both twins wanted to do different things with the same wagon. The mother heard the boys arguing and came outside. You boys must share the wagon, said mother. Mother told Sunil and Anil to make turns with the wagon. The twins did not want to share the wagon. A few days later, mother brought home a pet kitten for the boys. May we each have our own kitten, please? Asked the twins. They were tired of sharing everything. I am sorry, but you must share one kitten, mother said. You will have to feed the kitten and make sure she does not get into trouble. Now, Sunil and Anil were even sharing a job. A few days later, the kitten got into mother's sewing basket. In just a few minutes, the kitten had scattered balls of yarns all over the room. Anil saw the kitten playing with the yarn. He quickly went to find Sunil to tell him what the kitten had done. Oh no, it is our job to clean up the mess, cried Sunil. The boys quickly picked up the yarn and put it back in the basket. When the mess was cleaned up, Sunil and Anil saw that the kitten was playing with an orange. They quickly made the kitten her own toy from a piece of yarn. Just think, Anil, 2 kittens would have made a bigger mess, said Sunil. That is right, laughed Anil. Maybe sharing is not so bad after all. Okay, so my dears, this is the story of Sunil and Anil. You have to read the lesson properly. Okay, then I think I hope you all have underlined the hard words also, and your concerned teacher will also send you the photocopies and you can note down from there also. Okay, if you have any doubt, please go through the video once again. Okay, so that's all for today, my dears. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.